Broadcast engineering. Radio engineering redirects here, not to be confused with radio frequency engineering. Now let's talk about broadcast engineering. Broadcast engineering is the field of electrical engineering and now to some extent computer engineering and information technology, which deals with radio and television broadcasting. Audio engineering and RF engineering are also essential parts of broadcast engineering, being their own subsets of electrical engineering. Broadcast engineering occupation names: broadcast engineer or broadcast design engineer, or you can say broadcast systems engineer or broadcast IT engineer, broadcast IT systems engineer, broadcast network engineer, broadcast maintenance engineer, video broadcast engineer, TV studio broadcast engineer, outside broadcast engineer, remote broadcast engineer. Next, occupation type: profession, description: competencies, technical knowledge, management skills, professionalism, education record, see professional requirements, fields of employment: radio, television, military, related jobs: technologist, RF engineer, engineering technician, technical operator. Broadcast engineering involves both the studio and transmitter aspects, the entire air chain, as well as remote broadcasts. Every station has a broadcast engineer, though one may now serve an entire station group in a city. In small media markets, the engineer may work on a contract basis for one or more stations as needed. So that's all about broadcast engineering.